Karter, buddy, I got another one for you, man. Guess what's coming? Look at that big honking thing, man. That's a choo-choo. That's a choo-choo and a half. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 engines so far. He's a big one. He likes to blow the horn. Lots of traffic out here today. Pop-Up's lucky that he pulled over and got some gas today. Otherwise he would have missed this guy. Kids painting graffiti on it. That's funny. Every once in a while you see a couple hobos on there riding along. A lot of cars on this one, buddy. I bet you like these choo-choos, don't you? You got the ones with the two cargos on them, and then the single cargos on them. That's a lot of stuff they're transporting across the country. Let's see if he has a couple engines at the back, because this is a lot of stuff. Lots of trains. I don't think we could fit this choo-choo in the living room. I don't think we could fit one car in the living room. Would definitely cause problems. Coming up to the end now. More graffiti. Some of it's pretty cool looking. These guys are pretty good at it. Shouldn't be doing it, but they're doing it. So there was 4 engines in the front. And let's see what we have in the back. And those were the big diesel ones too. Oh, it looks like we got one in the back that's pushing. Yep, we got one in the back that's pushing. We don't have a caboose. No cabooses. That's a big one, isn't it, buddy? That's a super big train. Well, there you go. There's your choo-choo. That's 2 choo-choos I got for you. Okay. Well, Pop-Up loves you. You have a good day, buddy. I love you.